Hello dear friends, as you can see I'm using a mouse on my smartphone to explain the things clearly, right? And if you're also using a mouse but if you want to change your mouse pointer color or if you want to change the mouse pointer size, then you are in the right video. So without further ado, let's get started. First go to your phone settings and now look for an option, General Management. This is the General Management option, so click on it. Now look at the last option, Mouse and Trackpad, just click on it. And now see here is an option, pointer size and color, so click on it. So here you get some preset color option. This is the black one and this is the color that I've selected for my mouse pointer, and you can select the color as per your own choice. That's it. But if you want to change the size of this mouse pointer, see here is a pointer size. If you go to the right side of this bar, your mouse pointer size will be increased. Now see the mouse pointer size has been increased a little bit. So this is how you can increase your mouse pointer size, but I want to keep it in normal size like this. And if you are finding this process a little bit complex, I want to show you a very shortcut method to do this. Just go back, press the go to your phone settings, and now look, here is the search bar, just click on it. And now you gotta search here, mouse. You got this option, mouse and trackpad, just click on it. And now look at the last option, mouse and trackpad, just click on it. And then you will get the same page, just click on pointer size and color. And now from here you can change your mouse pointer color and size. That's it. If you enjoyed the video, then hit a like, and if you want to watch more that's kind of helpful and informative videos, then do subscribe to the channel right now. See you soon in the next video with another helpful content like this. Till then, thank you, bye bye.